So I'm gonna be honest with you right now. I came into this right here with the assumption that NordVPN couldn't possibly be as fast or as secure as they promise in the ads. Now, it doesn't make sense to me that they offer so much, but their prices are so reasonable, especially compared with more of the same service providers. It does seem a bit strange though, doesn't it? The only explanation I could think of is that they have a genius marketing team like all those big burger chains, which I will not be mentioning because I don't want to get sued. I was pretty surprised to learn that despite their extremely competitive pricing, they handle torrenting and Netflix streaming extremely well. I was able to stream and watch without loading, rendering, or any kind of interruption, and this is all due to one of my favorite things about NordVPN. They always give you the option to connect with the fastest servers from whatever location you happen to be in. This is a huge deal since they're one of the only VPNs on the market today that provide that specific type of option. In other words, they're almost directly responsible for my Zen process, to which I am extremely grateful.
Now check this out. I can watch some of my favorite shows that are exclusive for the US while not even being in the US.
They also use some of the most advanced security protocols available on the market today. Believe me, I checked. I did, however, find some drawbacks that may interest more advanced users who look for pre-installed firmware on their routers or support for DAZN streaming sites. So, a quick pros and cons review for this review. Pros, aka good news. Unblocks Netflix and other streaming sites. Got over 5,700 servers in 60 countries, and that means more access, especially for those of us who love to travel for work or for fun. High performing, and that means little to no wait times. Bypassing the Great Firewall of China. And that's right, friends, it works in China. Apps for Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, iOS, Android TV, Chrome, and Firefox. Whew, did I forget anybody? Connects up to 6 devices at a time, 24/7 customer support, very affordable, and 30-day money-back guarantee. Meaning that you get it, you take it home, you take a peek. If you don't like it, you give it back. No problem, no harm, no foul. Everybody's happy. Now, for the cons, aka bad news. Doesn't accept PayPal. No big deal, we can get around that. It doesn't work with DAZN, and there's no internet kill switch for the Mac operating system, OpenVPN client. All in all, this cost-benefit analysis is looking pretty good. These cons are not deal breakers for me or for my needs. Now, my needs include a strong VPN so I can access Netflix or any other black content in the world, and NordVPN gets the job done without annoying buffering issues. It also keeps me safe while torrenting and generally does a fantastic job in keeping my privacy. Those are just my needs. Feel free to check it out for yourself. They now have special offers. I'll put the link for you below. They have several price plans included, depending on your specific needs. And the best part is that you can switch plans after you've logged in. So my bottom line is this. NordVPN is my favorite choice on both my PC and on my iPhone. Well, that's all for today, folks. I hope this video helps you with your next online VPN purchase, or in the very least a short and sweet intro into the wonderful world of NordVPN. If you've enjoyed this content and you'd like to see more, please hit that like, share, and subscribe buttons. It really does help out the channel. Also, I'd love to hear your thoughts, so please feel free to leave a comment or questions below, and if there's anything in particular you'd like me to review. Thank you so much for joining me, and have a wonderful rest of the day. See ya.